Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing good. In today's video, I'll be sharing my daily makeup look that I wear every day to office, or you can even wear this to college. So watch me go from this to this. For that, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Neha. I make makeup review videos, tutorials and more. So if you like that, consider subscribing. I'll be using 6 products for this daily makeup look because these are the ones I reach out for like all the time. So let's get started. After cleansing and moisturizing my face, I'm starting with the sunscreen, which is super important. Please do not skip this step even if you're inside the house. I'm taking 2 pumps of the sunscreen and just lathering on to my face, like completely onto my neck, wherever I'm going to be exposed to the sun, even if I'm sitting at home. Do not forget your ears, spread it everywhere. It's super important. I can't emphasize this more. So I do start with this when even when it's daily makeup. Next, I'm going to be using Nykaa Skin Genius Foundation in the shade 03 Warm Sand. I'm just going to take a little bit on the back of my hand, just like a pea-sized amount, even less than that. And I'm just going to apply it on the areas of my concerns, which is basically my under eyes. And I have a little bit of a dark circle situation going on. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of that under my eyes and just on the spots of my face where I actually need it, nothing else. Now if you don't use a foundation, you can go ahead and use a concealer. Anything will do. You can use both. It's totally up to you. I'm used to using this because it's like a sheer to medium coverage, and I don't like caking my face with a lot of product, especially if it's like daily makeup. Even if it's not, I usually do this and just conceal my under eyes with the foundation and a little bit on top as well. For brows, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Fashion Brow in the shade Dark Grey. All the products I'll be using will be listed in the description box, so do make sure to check it out. So I'm just outlining the outer portions of the brow, and as you can see, it's not threaded, it's not perfect, and I really don't mind that because I'm just going to fill the sparse areas of it. I don't go overboard and completely fill it in and look like it's sketched out or something. This is what I like. I like it more natural, fluffy. I'm totally okay with it. Next, I'm going to be using a blush from Sugar Cosmetics. It's from their Contour de Force collection in the shade Peach Peak. I really like this blush. This is the first blush I ever bought, so I really like it. I like placing it at the high points of my cheek, from the center towards the temples. I like placing it like that because it gives a lifted look. I also like to take it on my eyelids and on my nose just to give a nice wash of color. If you're not a blush person, you can totally use a lipstick or even a tinted lip balm. Let me tell you, it gives a really natural look. So yeah, taking it on my eyelids really makes a difference because it gives a wash of color and brings back life to my face. So yeah. Next, I'm going to be using an eyeliner from Lakme's 9 to 5 collection. This is in the shade Black. And I like to use an eyeliner for a daily makeup because it's easier to remove more than a kajal, because I'll have to put an oil-based remover to get it out, and it's too much for daily wear, you know. And so this is what I do. I love this. I have a tutorial on winged eyeliner. You should check it out. I'll link it below. For lipstick, today I'm going to be using Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Nude Twist. Oh, this is my favorite shade to wear every single day. It's a really nice peachy brown shade. It suits my skin tone very well. It's also going to suit fair to medium skin tones very well. And I absolutely love this shade. And it also smells like vanilla cake. I mean, who doesn't like that for everyday wear? So yeah. For highlighter, I'm going to be using Maybelline's Master Strobing Stick in the shade Pink. This is so easy to use, you guys. You can just dot it on to the high points. Here I'm just dotting it on to the high points of my cheek and just diffusing it into my skin very nicely. It gives a really nice radiant look, not too over the top, just a little bit to get that fresh glow. And on the bridge of my nose, not on the tip, just the bridge, and on my chin, just a little bit. But if you're wearing a mask, none of this will be visible, I guess. But this is not a mask-friendly makeup. This is just a daily daily makeup. I'm also taking a little bit of it and putting it on the inner corners to just brighten up my eye. I just absolutely love this. So yeah, that's the look. I hope you liked it. I hope this was helpful. I had fun creating this. This is what I do every day. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye.